The session was televised live in a rare attempt to further promote pan-governmental cooperation and to encourage citizens to resume economic activities. Regarding Tokyo's export curbs, Seoul vowed to achieve complete independence from Japanese imports in 5 years' time. Da-eun zooms in on the 2020 Economic Policy Report, which focuses on fostering new innovative businesses.
South Korea is going all out to achieve tangible results this year from the government's long-sought goal of innovation-led growth. In a televised presidential briefing, the four main economy ministries laid out their jointly drawn-up plan that focuses on fostering new industries, such as the bio industry, and supporting innovative venture firms through all available measures, ranging from government support and deregulation to policy loans. 15.8 trillion won, or about $13.3 billion of the nation's budget, has been allocated exclusively for innovative growth, up 46% from last year, while low-interest policy loans for the sector will be expanded to $39.6 billion from $38.5 billion a year ago. $4.4 billion will be injected to increase the number of so-called unicorn firms from the current 11 to 20 by 2022. And R&D investment will be expanded to $20.5 billion, the government's biggest such investment to date. Unicorn firms refer to unlisted firms worth more than 1 trillion won, or $844 million. Regarding Japan's curbs on exports to South Korea of high-tech materials, the government vowed to achieve complete technological independence from Japanese imports.
The first goal is to achieve technological independence from Japanese imports. Despite Japan's trade curbs, not a single case of supply disruption has been reported so far.
By 2025, the government aims to achieve stable supplies of all 100 items listed in Tokyo's trade restrictions against Seoul by pumping in nearly $1.7 billion. A comprehensive package of countermeasures will also be announced within this month to boost investment, consumption, and exports that have been affected by the coronavirus outbreak. Da-eun, Arirang News.